Hello, my not too shabby friends. Thank you so much for coming today and to the blog, to the Not Too Shabby YouTube channel. And I know you're wondering, what is a sheetload of cards? Well, you know, when I introduce the mood board, I always use my sheetload of cards that I have created. So the sheetload of cards video is over on my channel, Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. And so on this channel, I share the cards that I have done using Alicia's sheetload of cards, and her channel will be linked down below. So this is the sheetload for May. So I used Serene Escape from the Box of the Month and the Ephemera, and then I pulled in a different stamp set to stamp my sentiment, and I pulled in some older enamel dots from Not Too Shabby. So let me show you my 8 cards, and they go beautiful with the mood board. I'll insert a picture of the mood board right here so you can see what the mood board looks like for this month. And you have until the 19th of the month to enter, and then we'll have a video showcasing all. I think I missed the video last month. I apologize for that. Last month was crazy. This year has been crazy for me, but hopefully things are slowing down. So we have this card, and on the inside, I just did a strip on the inside of each one of them. Then we have this one. And yes, this strip is wider than this strip because I was at a friend's house and I used her trimmer on some of the paper because I only had my small trimmer with me, and some of her paper, she gave me some of her paper to do these because I only took white with me to her house. And so she gave me some colored cardstock to use, and I was using her trimmer because the paper was bigger, and I just measured it wrong. So that's the whole story. I measured it wrong. So I'm trying to figure out how, there we go. And then there is card number 3. Card number 4. Card number 5. This is this one and this one. Those are my 2 favorite cards. This one because this is I really like this piece of ephemera right here on this card in my left hand, and this one because of 2 reasons. I really like the girl, and this is my favorite piece of paper in the paper pad. And then we have this one. I forgot what card number I'm on. I like how the green matched the stems of the flowers. That's why I use that green strip. And then this one. And then the last one. So there's my 8 cards. And they are, the blog post will be linked in the description box down below. And then you can check out the blog post and see what, see how to enter and get your entries in this month. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.